So today it's going to be a short video. Since I've bought the Jeep, I've had some issues with the connections to the battery, and those issues have caused me some starting problems. So I decided to go through and replace all the battery cables. I replaced the positive lead, and then I've just replaced the negative lead. So what they did when the restoration was done is they ran a negative cable from the battery through the firewall under the dash, and then they put in one of those race car style battery cutoffs. And the results of that is there's something like 6 or 7 feet of negative cable that kind of winds its way up through. So what I did is I replaced those cables with new cables that are in better condition. And I took the negative cable and ran it from the negative pole on the battery right down to the engine block. And then what I did is I installed one of those battery cutoffs right at the battery. And this is the same kind of cutoff that I put in my '89 Mustang. And it works really well. It's really effective. It keeps the cables short, which means I'm pretty sure I'm going to have fewer problems with starting. And what I'm hoping is it's going to reduce the amount of starter lags that I get when I try and start the Jeep, and make it a much more positive start. So anyway, I've already done the installation on the 2 cables. So today what I want to do is take all that extra negative lead cable and that switch that's on the dashboard and remove it. And frankly, when you look at that battery cutoff switch on the dash, it's pretty ungainly looking. It doesn't look very original to the Jeep. So I'm going to pull all that off and hopefully make that dashboard look a lot cleaner. That was kind of interesting because this thing literally was not attached with any bolts or screws. It was just glued in with some kind of a silicone. So it came out much easier than I thought it would. But that's a good thing, I suppose. I have this hole in the dash, but you know, the hole's nicely done. I don't know if it has something else that was there originally. Probably not, but I can live with that hole a lot better than I can live with this chunk of steel coming out. So anyway, let's give the Jeep a start and see how it works. So sometimes a project just goes really well, really easy, really simple, and this was one of them. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.